Hi kids, a lot of you have asked me how do I connect or how do I go on to Connect Ed and TCI, and I'm just going to show you guys really quick on what that's going to look like for you. So you should each have a My Backpack, and it should look like this. And for science, you're going to go to Connect Ed, and you're going to let it load. You should only have one section. This is the student edition. I'm going to log into that one. Now for me, because I'm obviously not a student, it's going to tell me I have no assignments at this time. You're going to see the assignments that I assign weekly on here, okay? At the top left, you're going to go to your menu. You're going to go to your homework. It's going to have a due and a due later, okay? This is where you're going to see what it is that you need to do. For this week's assignment, it's going to say due, and it's going to have the page numbers that you need to access. Now, to go to that, you're going to go back to your home. Let's see if that works. Yep. Nope. You're going to go back to that home page, and you're going to go to ebook. An ebook is where your entire textbook is at. So on the bottom here where it says cover, when I assign you a page, you're going to go to that page number. You're going to type it in, and then you'll have access to everything that you need from so on and so forth. Now for science, for this week, you are to complete all of the assignments. So like 1, 2, all of the questions that show up, all of the graphing charts, all of the little tidbits that they're asking you. So the comparison and contrasting, the summarizing, that is what you are completing. Now, I will say you can complete this on a piece of paper or on Google Docs. Whatever is easiest for you and whatever is easier for you to send me, it's up to you. So that is how you access and do science. So I'm going to leave, and then I'm going to go to now back to the backpack. We have social studies. So you're going to go to TCI, and yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. However, I do want you guys to see that your assignments are going to be here, okay? You click down, you can go into each section of the notebooks. Some of you don't know how to get to the test, but the test is right down there. And then you click on it, and it'll take you to that section. Many of you have not been doing the social studies and the science homework, so it is very important that we get these done, okay? If there's any other questions that you have for this, just let me know. Also on the left-hand side here, it tells you assessments, so you can go to the assessments and complete them as you go through. On your left-hand side, it'll have everything that you need for social studies, and it'll tell you my test and what it is that you need to do. Okay, so just let me know. Email me. You can text me at 321-428-0293 if you have any questions. All right. Love you guys, and let me know if you need any other help. Thank you.